Hi, my name is Chifunda Kakusa. I'm from Zambia and I'm currently a senior at St. John's College in Santa Fe, New Mexico. I guess to your question, I think from the full 3.5 years that I've been here at St. John's College, I think the math program, the senior math program in particular, has really stretched the capacity of my imaginative faculties. And that has primarily come through Einstein's project, which is the principle of special relativity. At least that's the one that we deal with. Because I think thinking about the project that he's doing it's very difficult for one to work on it without quite imagining what he is trying to do. And I think part of that, I think this year has come through a group project. So everyone sort of diving into the text and sort of bringing different perspectives to the table. Or in a sense bringing different frames of reference to the table. And particularly I think with Einstein, he raises a lot of questions and redefines what we think of space and what we think of time. And I think what I realized whilst being around the individuals at the table is that it raises a lot of concerns about what we've done in the past 3 years. Because all the theories, Maxwell's equations, they're all dependent on the continuity of space and time. So I think just being engaged in class had me question, well, what happens to those theories? What happens to when I think about, the propagation of light? Is light going to be waves or is it going to be particles? Now that I'm not sure that space is actually absolute or it is continuous, what happens to all those theories? How can I then reconcile them with Einstein's principle of relativity? And I think that's one of the biggest struggles that I've had this year, and I think it's really come together as a group project to try and reconcile what we've learned over the past 3 years with what we have now as the principle of special relativity.